Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the GK68XS kit that I bought for my beginner or entry level keyboard because I was really wanting to get into the mechanical keyboard scene, and this was a board that a lot of people recommended to me as a beginner myself. And I'm going to be going over basically my thoughts on it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So this board comes with a fiberglass plate, that's what they're saying, pre-lube stabilizers, a hot swap PCB, and a really nice acrylic board. When it comes to the board's looks and design, I really do like it because it's USB Type-C. In the box, it actually comes with a switch puller, a keycap puller, a USB-C cable, which isn't bad looking at all, and a little nice carrying case. Now the carrying case isn't the greatest, but you know, it's there. It provides protection if you ever want to travel with it, and overall it looks kind of nice. It also comes with a double spacebar. If you ever want to do that, you can also switch out the spacebar for a double spacebar, which is always very nice. It also does support Bluetooth, but the one I got didn't have Bluetooth because, well, I kind of didn't need it. When it comes to the whole board in general, I do really enjoy it. I don't really have that many complaints. Maybe the only complaint I would have would be the stabilizers it comes with are very loud and rattly, so I would recommend buying your own stabilizers and lubing them yourselves because the stabilizers that this keyboard comes with aren't the greatest, and that is very common, especially in less expensive boards like this one. Now this kit comes in gray, acrylic, and purple. Now all of the colors look very nice in my opinion. It also comes in white and black if you want to go for a cheaper option, which is basically just an ABS plastic instead of an acrylic or a metal CNC case. So if you guys do want to go for an even cheaper option, that's also there. I bought my kit from AliExpress, and I kind of don't recommend you guys do that, mainly because, I don't know, it feels a little bit sketchy, and the kit I got had some problems, and I'm going to talk about that. So the kit I got had very laggy RGB. I emailed them and they said that this RGB lag was apparently normal and fine, which honestly, if you see here, it looks really bad, right? Granted, I only use solid colors, but you know, I'm kind of stuck with only using one solid color because I can't really do any cycling colors because of how bad it looks. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. If you do want to buy this keyboard, I'll leave two links, one from KBP Republic and Apple Maker's website themselves, and I do recommend you guys use those websites instead of something like AliExpress. It also is a 68% layout instead of a 65% layout, which means it comes with the delete, page up, and page down key, and it just makes it very nice. You can still access the FN keys by clicking the FN key in the bottom right and clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So you still have that option. Now overall, I would recommend this keyboard to anyone that's looking to get into this hobby because it is very nice. It is very easy to use and it's very easy to set up. The one thing that isn't easy to set up or use is the software. The software is very cluttered and cramped together, and it's very confusing the way it looks. And even if it starts up with your computer, the RGB will not automatically turn on, which I find kind of weird. You have it set to start up with your computer, and then when it starts up, it'll ask you for administrative privileges for the GK68 drivers or whatever. You click yes, and then your RGB is still off, which makes no sense to me. You have to go into it again, click apply, and then the RGB works. But without it, it just doesn't work, which I find kind of weird. But yeah, the only complaints I had were the stabilizers, my RGB, and mainly just the software, to be honest with you. I feel like if these aren't a really big issue to you, then go for it. You know, this keyboard is very nice. I think it's very well built, has very good build quality regardless of which one you choose, and it's regarded as one of the cheaper options if you are looking to get into the mechanical keyboard scene, or specifically the custom mechanical keyboard scene. I'll leave all the links that you'll need in the description below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this kit in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.